Okay, hi guys! Good morning everyone! Welcome again to my vlog. Medyo mahina yung boses natin because sa airport tayo. So today guys is Black Saturday 2024. Hey Ramon! Hi. Say hi! So me and Ramon are going to Palawan, actually El Nido. So dito tayo, El Nido Resorts. So we're taking Air Swift. Ayun. So this is Ramon and I's first exclusive date outside Metro Manila. So first time to, na dalawa lang kami. So medyo, ayan, turn up kami na white. Ayan, so happy. So this is going to be a 4-day, 3-night El Nido. 4 days, 3 nights, anak, na El Nido trip. Ramon, are you excited?
Lapawan.
Palawan. Actually guys, sa Palawan saan na ba kami pumunta? Actually yung pinaka maganda of course na napuntahan namin so far is Amanpulo. Wow. No, yung dream ko talaga is Banwa in Palawan. Research nyo yan guys, Banwa. I think that's the most expensive resort island in the whole world. Ayun. So we've been to Amanpulo and this time try ko tong Lihim Resorts. Yan. So, I just ate breakfast. Then si Ramon still eating. Okay. So, mali pala. This is our 3rd time in Palawan na family. Diba? So, syempre nakapunta na kami ng Palawan before kasi naging incentive din to for our agents. Nag-incentive din siya. And then we also go there. Diba? And then, ito yung pangatlo lang na family. No? So, the first one was Amanpulo. During pandemic, we went there. Pangalawa is Kawayan Island Resort. So, 5-star din yun. Luxury resorts din yan. Ganda rin. No? And then, ngayon, ito nga, Lihim Resorts in El Nido. So, nakakatawa guys kasi ang daming foreigners as you can see. No? Baka akala nyo wala tayong visitors na foreigners. Wala lang sila sa Metro Manila but they are here in El Nido. And also mga Siargao. Ayan, so doon sila pupunta. And finally, nandito na kami sa room. Ang ganda, guys. Can I just say? So, as in, tanaw na tanaw ko talaga yung dagat and bundok. And, you know, mga ibon at mga puno. Nandito na sila. Naghintay talaga sa akin. Guys, can I just say, yan po yung ating tanawin for today's video. Okay, ganda, no? So, yan talaga yung paglabas mo ng room. Actually, ito tanaw ko na siya sa bed. Yan. There's Ramon. Hello, babe. Walang labasan to. Sobrang, once humiga, yun na siya. Here's the toilet and bath. Meron siyang inside, may pa-outside shower siya. Super, super love. So, na matulog, mag-swim, kumain. Ano bang uunahin natin? Hi Ramon, are you enjoying this trip so far?
Yes.
Alam mo, I can't get enough. Ang ganda talaga ng ng tanawin. Doon talaga ako yung tanawin. Oh my God, ang sarap lang matulog. Magpahinga. And mag-pray. Siyempre, Holy Week ngayon. Yan, hi guys! Dinner na kami. Dito kami sa Henry's magdi-dinner. So, this needs reservation. So, pina-pre-book na namin to yesterday. Okay. Medyo mainit. Mainit talaga pa lang yan si Ramon, no? Kumukha siya ng stars. Ang dami kasing stars. So, that's Henry's. Yan, maganda daw dito mag-inom-inom kasi nga overlooking siya. Ayan, medyo bar dito. Konti lang yung tao, foreigners na. Ayun, so tapos na kami kumain, no? So nakapaghilamos na kami, naligo na rin kami ni Ramon. So right now, nagpapaantok na lang kami. Ramon, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Hi! I love the room. In fairness, ang ganda. Actually, pinakita ko na yung room pero ngayong gabi lang, parang mas naano ko, parang gusto ko siyang inspiration ng magiging bagong master's room namin kapag lumipat na kami sa aming final house or dream house namin. Wow. Which is when ba? Maybe 2 to 3 years. No, hopefully. Ayan, na pinapanood ni Ramon. Walang kamatayang Willy Wonka. Yeah. High ceiling kasi siya. So, I like it. Kanina ko pa kasi sabi kay Ramon na parang pag nakalipat na kami sa dream home namin, ganito yung gusto kong room. Yan. So far, so good. Yung pool area niya, tsaka yung beach area niya, mas maganda yung Kawayan, tsaka Manpulo. No? So, kung dagat talaga, Manpulo talaga yung maganda. So far. Pero maganda rin naman dito kasi maganda yung room, ang ganda ng view ko talaga, ang ganda ng view namin. Pagkain, so far, okay naman, pero hindi siya like outstanding. So far, sa mga natikman namin. Ayun, pero okay naman siya, no? Basta maganda yung room, maganda yung view, no? Very accommodating. so far. Kasi may butler din kami. Parang aman pulong nga din, no? May pa-butler. Tsaka, in fairness, siguro nga sa mga ganong medyo luxury, pero ka talagang sarili. Tapos, ano kayo, sa WhatsApp kayo nag-uusap, ganyan. So far, parang silang tatlo consistent sila. Yan, kasi yun yung mga medyo luxury talaga na puntahan namin in Palawan. Yes! Yun na yung first day namin. So, dumating, basically, nagpicture, nagpahinga kami, then kumain. So, tomorrow will be our island hopping plus massage. Yan! So, happy Saturday, guys! See you again tomorrow for our second day. Hey guys, good morning! Day 2 of our Palawan trip here in Lihim Resorts, El Nido. So, we are here now sa breakfast area. This is what they call Ghana restaurant. And as you can see, naka-rash guard na ako guys. And of course, Ramon, because we're going on an island hopping this morning and then massage kami in the afternoon. So, I'm going to show you the buffet, breakfast buffet spread nila today. So, dito sa table, nung dumating kami, meron mga sweets dito. And then may paeg kasi Easter Sunday today eh.
Wow!
Okay. Then water. Hindi kasi kami talaga ma-juice or maano ni Ramon. So, water lang kami. Ito, waffle and pancake. Wow, ang sarap nito. Peanut butter. Why not? Okay. Then they have egg station. Usual naman, papaluto ka lang. Fruits, sausage, mushroom chicken, yan, tinapa, tofu, dilis rice, ito talaga yung ilalapang natin. And then salad.
Or within the eggs within the table, okay? And a count of 3, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! You can start, just be careful. Any eggs within the area, not the eggs in the table. Get as many eggs as you can. We're going to give you a prize for the one.
Ramon, ayan po. Anak, dito anak ko.
Okay, get as many eggs you can find in the Ghana restaurant.
Hanapin mo, anak. Around the swimming pool, Ramon. Ano, anak, dito, anak ko. Beach area, anak. Over here, baby.
Let's start. Ay, Diyos ko, nakarami siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, In a couple of minutes, we're going to brawl. Table standing, then you're going to get as many eggs as you can, okay? In a couple of 3, It's maybe in your front or in your back, in your side, but it's just around. You will not move in other places. Okay, count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. In your back. Careful. Move back.
Move back, babe. Yan, sige, back. Yan, reach your back konti. Yan, yan na. Ramon, yun. Oh my God. Ramon, forward, Ramon. No, to the right, anak. So, nasa likod mo, babe. Yan, nasa likod. Sige. To your left, anak. To your left. Left. Boom. Ayan na.
Okay.
Yan na guys, island hopping na kami. Ikaon kami ngayon. Ayan na sila. Ba't kaya nandyan sila sa lilim? So ito guys yung speedboat namin.
Wow!
Why do I try? Why do I try?
Why don't you tell me why I can't sleep at night?
Why do I try? Why do I try?
Why don't you tell me why I can't sleep at night?
Why do I try? Why do I try?
Why don't you tell me why?
Big Lagoon. Nice one, babe.
Oh, nawala na yung sige lang.
Meron pa.
Sa'yo. Pagkabito kasi kasama. Okay.
O yan, si Ramon. Si Ramon, sino kasama? Ano mo na? Sige, Sed, kaya ko na to.
Ramon, wait.
Ramon, wait for Kuya Sed.
Kuya Sed is gonna assist you there. On your leg. to left. Ay, right pala, sorry. Left na.
Ano ba talaga? Ano ba talaga, kuya?
Slide slowly. Slide slowly.
Hello to the secret lagoon, babe.
Sinapsang ka? Tama, bibigyan ka naman. Okay. Much better. Touch it.
Wow!
Shimizu Island. Ayan, guys, nandito kami sa 7 Commando. So, this is the 4th stop of our package tour for today. So, first, di ba, we went to the Big Lagoon. Siyempre, hindi ka naman aalis ng El Nido na hindi ka nakakapunta doon, right? And then, second, yung sa Secret Lagoon. Sabi nga ni Ramon, it's not so secret after all kasi ang daming tao. Pero not too many, in fairness. Grabe yung init. 35 degrees ata ngayon. Okay, and then, after nun, we went to Shimizu, no, island, basically, snorkeling yan. And then, right now, we are in 7 Commando. Ano to? Chill lang na place. O, diba? Ano ka lang dito? Inom-inom ng buko. Sunbathe. Yan. Bili-bili ng pearl kay kuya. Okay. O, diba? Ayan, so I'm eating kwek-kwek, guys. 150 for the win. Grabe, this is it. Turista levels. Okay, so 3 pirasong kwek-kwek, 150. I need to eat na ngayon, guys, kasi after here, may massage pa kami. So, hirap namang dumapa pag busog. So, ito na yung lunch ko, guys. Anyway, 150 din siya. And the banana Q is 100. 2 pieces na.
Wow!
Let's go. Okay guys, it's now time for our massage. Sobrang pula namin. Ito nga pala guys, so nagbenta sa akin ito doon. Mga ano lang naman yan. Sabi niya South Sea, pero I don't think so. Wala lang, nagustuhan ko na rin para next time pag maliligo uli ako sa dagat, meron akong pwedeng magamit na hindi kayong parang worried na worried. Okay, so ayan siya. Actually, may bracelet pa siya, pero hindi ko na sinuot. So, maganda ba, guys? Okay. Going out to the massage place after the island hopping. Ito ang gusto ko dito dahil puno. Ito yung gym. Yan. Then, dito yung massage. Ayan, before tayo mag-massage, merong lemonade with basil. Ang sarap, can I just say. I think I have to drink tonight. Galing daw to sa bar. Sobrang refreshing, guys. Thank you po. So, our massage is 4 to 5:30. Tamang-tama lang. Right after island hopping, before dinner. It's so refreshing, I just say. Okay, let's go to the massage area. Thank you. Yung locker. Hi. Okay, tapos na guys. Tingnan yung itsura ko. Parang akong nasa panaginip. No? Parang nahilo ako guys. Can I just say? I-servan natin si Ramon. Bebo. Mon.
Thanks.
Try it. I don't know what that is.
Wow, that's hot.
It's hot? Shut up.